Hello boys and girls, welcome back. We've got a fabulous new book to read to you today. It's called Ruperts Snowman. It's written by Phillipa Warden and it's illustrated by Grace Ward. And even though Christmas is over, snow is starting to happen all over the country, and this book is a lovely story about snow and a snowman. So shall we start? It was Christmas Eve. A blanket of snow had wrapped the hills and fields that lay about the cottage. Rupert stood at the window, flapping with excitement. Can you see all the snow falling, all past his window pane? After breakfast, his mummy rummaged in the garage for the sledge. Do you like looking in the garage for lots of things? They packed a rucksack with a flask of steaming hot chocolate and some ginger snaps. Yummy! They wound their scarves around and around until they could just peep out and set off to the top of the hill. Can you see the scarves going all around their body? Stopping sometimes to make a snow angel, the two made their way to the top. Have you made snow angels in the snow, lying there? Can you see them doing it? Rupert began to roll the fluffy snow to make the best snowman that had ever been built. It stood almost as tall as his mummy. Can you see him building the snowman? They used stones for the eyes, nose, mouth and buttons. They pulled at bare sticks in the hedgerow for arms. Rupert's thinking it was missing something. A hat, he decided. Rupert drained the last of the hot chocolate from his cup. He popped the cup upside down on the snowman's head. A dribble of cocoa looked like hair. It was perfect. Can you see that? The snowman watched as the pair sledged down the hill, had snowball fights, and decorated the winter wonderland with angels. What a lot of fun they're having. When it was time for lunch, they raced down the hill one last time. The snowman seemed to be waving goodbye in a slight breeze. Who will look after Frosty? Rupert asked, tears welling in his eyes. The birds, the mice, and the deer tonight, came the reply. We can't leave him, and off he flew, racing back up the hill. He threw his arms around Frosty and he whispered his plan. Can you see Rupert whispering the plan to the snowman? Together they rolled the last of the 3 snowballs onto the sledge. Can you see what his plan is? Carefully laying the twigs and stones beside them, Rupert squealed as he rebuilt Frosty next to the apple tree. What he's done is he's taken the snowman home. Frosty's going home with Rupert. He built a snow sister, a snow dog and 2 snow kittens. Wow, hasn't Rupert been busy? Just before he went to bed, Rupert looked at the scene, lit up by the flickering light of the log fire through the living room window. An entire snow family to keep Frosty company while Rupert waited for Father Christmas to arrive. What a delightful story. You can see Father Christmas with the reindeers is coming, and Rupert's waiting, and all Frosty and all the family are very happy outside together. The end. Well, boys and girls, did you enjoy that? Wasn't it a lovely story? Did you wait for Father Christmas to arrive? Well, we're going to put this book back. We're going to pick our next book for next time. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.